Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a custom picture style on your Canon camera. First, after you have turned on your camera, you press the menu button here. And now inside of settings, you are going to navigate to the second camera options menu here. Then you are going to go to the bottom of this list until you find picture style, tap on set. And here you will find the standard picture styles like auto, portrait, landscape, neutral, faithful, etc. And then you are going to go to a user-defined picture style here. Press the display button, and here you will find sharpness, contrast, saturation, and color tone options. And to set these, you just navigate to them, press set, and then you are going to be able to move this little cursor to the right or to the left to set the color tone, saturation, contrast, and sharpness one by one. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.